Hey, Tele for my family. So today we got a 5-minute drill for you guys, nice and easy. So if you don't got your practice stick, go grab your practice stick and then let's get this drill on the road. Let's go. All right, let's start it up. First motion, got, yeah, 30 seconds. Got. Let's go. That's it. Remember, 5-minute drill, so. But you got to give it your all. It's not that long. Give it your all, you guys. Ready? Next motion. Billy, so. Let's go. Nice and strong. Hoop. Be nice and strong, you guys. A nice Billy. Another 30 seconds. Push it. Come on, guys, push it. Only way to get stronger. Yeah. You gotta go as fast as you can. Give it your all. 7, 6, 5, 4. Next motion. Vidikasi. Go. One hand. Vidikasi. Another 30 seconds. Sorry, minute. It's minute drill. No wonder why it felt a little bit long. Come on, let's go. Don't give up, you guys. It's a minute drill right here. Vidikasi. Nice and strong. Yep. We got this. Let's go. Keep pushing. 20 seconds. Hoop. Nice and strong. So the next motion we're gonna do is gonna be the vidikasi, but 2 spins, double spin, all right? I'll show you guys that, demonstrate it. That one will be for 30 seconds. Yeah. So vidikasi, 2 spins. 1, 2, like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Practice this. Once you get the hang of it, pick up the speed a bit. Just like that. Nice and easy. Double spins. Let's go. 5-minute drill, baby. 5-minute drill. Hoop. Next motion. Video kafa. We'll go with our left hand, right? 15 seconds, this one. 15 seconds. 15. Alright? But watch this. Now, we're gonna go 15 seconds flat. Yeah. 15 seconds flat. Easy. You got this. Hoop. Ready? Video kafa again. Up. Let's go. Push. How's your arms feeling? Let's go. Ready? One more time. Flat. 15 seconds. Easy. We got this. Hoop. All right, ready? Switch arms. Same thing. 15 seconds. Up. Yeah. Let's go. 15 seconds, flat. Yes. Ready? Same thing. Nice little drill here. Work out the shoulders. Ready? Up. Yeah? How you guys feeling? Almost there. Almost there. Strong. Hoop. Ready? Last one, flat. Swoop. Got that? 2, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! There you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed that little 5-minute drill there. Nice and easy. Little warm up before the show. Yeah, stretch it out, stretch it out. If you guys want to see more drills, want to get stronger, better at fire knife dancing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit that like, share it with your friends, everybody. Thank you guys so much. Please help me reach my goal of reaching 100K subscribers. Please, this is how much of you guys are watching and who is subscribed. So please help me out. God bless you guys all. Thank you guys so much. Yahoo!